Good morning, students, parents, and guardians. In this video, I want to model for you our domino mindset or domino analogy that I've tried to instill and have in the forefront of students' minds when tackling column addition and subtraction with regrouping and borrowing. You'll notice in front of your eyes a section of their dry erase math manipulative that they can utilize and that is found within their desks at school. I've tried to point out that when we have 3 digits plus 3 digits, it's really a series of 3 smaller addition questions or dominoes that should topple into one another, creating a nice complete domino run. Let's solve the first domino, 3 plus 4, using our handy number line found above this column tool. 3 plus 4, 1. 2, 3, 4. That results in a sum of 7. I deliberately have placed this number line above this column tool to help students who have yet to develop their mental math skills and to ensure a nice, quick, easy way to answer smaller portions of this math question. Now for our second domino, 6 plus 7, let's start off with the number 6 and take 7 jumps. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The sum is 13. Time to regroup. Let's put that group of 10 tens on the shelf. 1 plus 9 will start me off at 10, and if I make 8 jumps, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, we have a sum of 18. Of course, we're not allowed to have 2 digits in a column. Time to regroup. We'll put those 10 hundreds, or that one group of 1,000, and carry it down here because 1 plus nothing will take me to 1. We now have a sum of 1,837. So just to recap, I want students to recognize that in a large addition question, it can be stacked and we can solve smaller dominoes that when answered correctly will topple over into one another. And we have this useful shelf here to assist with regrouping. The number line certainly, once again, can be used by students who don't, at this stage, have fast mental math capabilities. It's now time to model a subtraction question utilizing the dry erase math manipulative columns and number line and our domino mindset. Let's take a look at the first domino. 5 minus 8. If one goes to their number line, let's try to jump back 8 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, we're starting to notice that that's an impossible task. One has to go ahead and borrow a group of 10. The 4 will be replaced by 3, and the 10 will be regrouped over here. 15 minus 8. Let's go to the 15 and jump back 8 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The difference is 7. Time to approach the second domino. 3 minus 7. If one goes to number 3 and jumps back 7 spots. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, we're noticing right away that's an impossible request. Let's do some borrowing. 1 borrows 100 and regroups that as 10 tens over in this column. 13 minus 7. Let's jump back 7 spots. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7. The difference is 6. We've completed the second domino. Time to complete the third domino. 5 minus 4. Starting off with the 5, let's take 4 jumps back. Minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4. The difference is 1. Altogether, 645 minus 478 will give us a difference of 167. One completed domino cascades into the second domino, then cascades into the third one, resulting in the correct answer.